Alright guys, I'm going to try to do a 2-inch tank lift. I bought a cheap Amazon one, it was $19. So you need a 1/4-inch Allen, 1/2-inch socket, and you're going to want to pull this grommet right here off. Here's your 1/2-inch, and there's your 1/4-inch Allen key. Go and do those. I'll jump to that. So what you want to do is get your 1/2-inch on here on reverse, and then you want to hold your Allen key in place while you're doing it too, and then that'll break it free. That'll pull right out. Save your washers and nuts. That's for your length. Pretty easy. Save these. Don't know if I'm leaving them again or not, but always good to save your old parts. So once you have the tank loose there, come back here, loosen this one up just a little bit. Then the tank will actually move freely up and down. As you can see, it's not in its spot no more. Pick it up, find something to shove underneath. Just to kind of keep it low or elevated, like a piece of wood or something. Alright, so I used an old paint roller, just get it elevated. You're going to take your extension piece with the thread sticking out, with a hole in the bottom. You're going to be facing threads towards the spine of the bike. And you have one washer on the inside, one washer on the outside with the nut, and then because these are kind of cheaper, I'm going to use Loctite just to be safe, but you can see, just goes in like that. Loctite the inside, and then you want to leave it kind of loose until you get everything fit up close. Every time I feel impatient and sometimes I can't escape it. I just wanna feel you shaping like my dreams. I can't sit back, I have to chase them. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. Alright, so once you have them both in, hand loose, or hand tight, just don't have them all the way tight or anything, just as long as they're held in, so good. You need to basically lower it down and put the rod that it comes with back through, and then it'll go through here and through there again, and then out to the other side, and then I'll Loctite those bolts up too. And then once that one's in, then you start tightening everything up. Smacked, don't know where I'm at. All I know is that I'm a pound of 30 rack till I'm motherfucking blacked. Yeah, that's a fact. Got the frat house packed while I'm grabbing on some ass. And you know I'm loving that. See, they got the best weed and all the nosebleeds, cause they love to party. Then out to see you, they got the cold brews. So many babes too, man, you gotta boo-boo. He's Carolina, the best vagina. She'll make your mind up. Okay, so now that I got the angle down, what I'm going to do is pop it, pull that bolt back out, tighten up those top ones to get them locked in place, and then throw down the tightening on the bottom one. Alright, so once you have that bolt back in, put your little nipple piece back on, and then tighten this one down, put your nipple piece back on, and then you should be good to go. I'll give you an end shot of what the 2-inch lift looks like. Alright, and then there it is with the tank lift. It drastically increases the tank height here, which I think helps make the bike flow a little better. Let me grab the seat. You can see what that looks like. Well, the seat's just sitting on there now, but it drastically increases. I think it makes it flow a little bit better. Looks a lot nicer from the front too. But yeah, so that's how you install a 2-inch tank lift.